Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to set up or apply tax or VAT on product for specific country in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page and we are going to apply tax on all product or specific product for specific country in WooCommerce WordPress. So we are in shop page. Now open any product. So this is our product. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings. So click on it. So we are going to apply tax or VAT for US United States country in WooCommerce WordPress. So we are in general setting and then you see multiple options. Now you see tax tab. So click on it. So tax is totally different from shipping delivery charges. So we are in tax tab and then you see multiple option, tax option, and then you see additional tax classes. Now you see price entered with tax. Now select no, I will enter price exclusive of tax, and then you see calculate tax based on customer shipping address, customer billing address, shop base address. So you can select customer shipping address and then you see shipping tax class. So select shipping tax class based on cart item, and then you see rounding. If you want, you can enable this option, and then you see additional tax class. Now you see, so you can create class according to requirement. So we are going to create additional tax class. Now press enter and then you can add name. So we added additional tax class name tax on US country. So when we click on save changes, then this class create and then show here on this location. So we added class name and then you see display price in the shop excluding tax, and then you see display price during cart and checkout excluding tax, and then you see price display suffix. If you want, you can display tax or VAT price also. Now click on it and then you see price including tax. So we added price including tax colon and then bracket price underscore including underscore tax. If you want, you can add it, and then you see display tax total. Select this option and then click on save changes. Now settings saved, and then you see new class created tax on US country rates. So click on it and then you see tax on US country tax rate. You see country code, state code, postcode, city, rate, tax name, priority, compound, shipping. Now click on insert row and then you see country code. So you can add US, UK, Canada according to requirement. So we are going to add US country. So we write US and then you see United States. Now select and then you see rate. So you can apply 10% tax or VAT on product for US country code customer or user, and then you see tax name. So you can add tax name according to requirement like VAT, and then you see priority, compound, enable shipping, and then click on save changes. Now setting saved, tax on US country tax rate. So this is our class. Now go to product. Now open edit product. So we are going to select this class. So we are in edit product and then you see product data. So we are in general tab and then you see tax status none. Now select taxable and then you see tax class. Now open it and then you see tax on US country. So we added this class tax on US country in this product. So you can open any product and then add this tax class for any product. Now you see tax status and then click on update. Now product updated done. Go to product page and refresh the page. And then you see price including tax 33. So our location is not US. So first we are going to add this product in cart. So click on it and then click on view cart. So we are in cart page and then you see product added in cart, and then you see subtotal. You see total 1, 2, 3. So we are going to change address. Now you see UK. Now click on it. Now select US and then click on update. And then you see VAT 3.3010% for this subtotal product. Now you see 33. So VAT display in both cart and checkout page for US customer or user in WooCommerce WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.